2012-82, State of Arkansas versus Kenneth Smith. All right, this matter is, the appearance here today is on a failure to appear warrant that was issued by the court. Court is going to set this down for the October, you say 13th, 14th? October 13th and 14th trial period with a pre-trial date on August 28th.
Your Honor, Mr. Smith is incarcerated on a parole violation. There is thus no issue to address with bond today. I don't know of anything further to take up in this case today,
All right.
Judge.
You may be excused. 2013-192, State of Arkansas versus Adam Ward. On June 19th, Mr. Ward was ordered to reappear here today. We've got a trial setting the first week of August, first week of August.
Judge, we're going to be prepared for that trial at that time. The only issue to be brought up today is we have held him, I think he's posted bond on these charges. We held him on a warrant out of Florida because of some aggravation in the state of Florida. They sent us a governor's warrant, then sent us instructions not to serve it. So he's being held on a warrant out of Florida with a warrant that we cannot serve. I tell the court that because I don't know where that puts us in terms of releasing this man between now and the trial date. The trial date's August 4th, and we're prepared to go forward with that. But it's been a very, very confusing conversation between the state of Arkansas and the state of Florida about this governor's warrant. But we do have a governor's warrant, but we've been instructed not to serve it, which what that makes that document, I'll let the court decide because that's the reason you're the judge.
Yeah, Mr. Ward was out on bond, was reporting regularly. I have never had any problem finding Mr. Ward. I'd ask the court to release him. I mean, he's not being held because of Arkansas. He's being held because of the state of Florida. The state of Florida has elected to do nothing, basically, except...
They've issued a warrant. They just instructed us not to serve it, Your Honor. And I apologize for putting that on your desk, but I don't know what to do with that thing.
Well, I'm going to reinstate his bond then. What was his bond? Is it the $5,000 we originally had on it?
Yeah, yes, sir. He posted that bond, Your Honor.
All right.
That's the bondsman. I guess he needs to communicate with the bondsman, make sure they'll stay on it. But
Yeah.
and we'll be ready for trial on August 4th on this case. But
Very well.
I've done this for about 28 years, and that's the first time I've ever run into that.
Well, I'm uncertain. I mean, I guess I should read the order, but in any case, we'll reinstate the bond.
Judge, let me give you the documentation so that you at least have as much information as I am. I may be missing something.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I apologize to the court, but I don't know what else to do.
Very good.